Now when Jesus saw the great multitudes about him, he gave a command to depart unto the other side. And a certain scribe came and said unto him, Master, I will follow thee whithersoever thou go. And Jesus saith unto him, The foxes have holes, and the birds of the air have nests, but the Son of Man hath not where to lay his head. And another of his disciples said unto him, Lord, suffer me first to go and bury my father.
But Jesus said unto him, Follow me,
and let the dead bury their dead.
Follow me, my child.
Follow me. Let what is dead
Bury their dead. Follow me.
And when he was entered into a ship, his disciples followed him. And behold, there arose a great tempest in the sea, insomuch that the ship was covered with the waves, but he was asleep. And his disciples came to him and awoke him, saying, Lord, save us, we perish. And he saith unto them, Why are ye fearful, O ye of little faith? Then he arose and rebuked the winds and the sea, and there was a great calm.
What manner of man is this, that even the winds and the sea obey?
Peace be still, calm in the storm.
What manner of man is this, that in calm winds and the sea obey?
Jesus reigns forevermore. And when he was come to the other side into the country of the Gergesenes, there met him two possessed with devils coming out of the tombs, exceeding fierce, so that no man might pass by that way. And behold, they cried out, saying, What have we to do with thee, Jesus, thou Son of God? Art thou come hither to torment us before the time? And there was a good way off from them an herd of many swine feeding. So the devils besought him, saying, If thou cast us out, suffer us to go away into the herd of swine. And he said unto them, Go. And when they were come out, they went into the herd of swine. And behold, the whole herd of swine ran violently down a steep place into the sea, and perished in the waters.
Chains will break.
Chains will break.
Demons must flee. The Son of God sets captives free. The Son of God came to set you free.
And they that kept them fled, and went their ways into the city, and told everything, and what was befallen to the possessed of the devils. And behold, the whole city came out to meet Jesus. And when they saw him, they besought him that he would depart out of their coasts.
Follow me, my child. Follow me. Let's free the dead. What manner of man is this, that even the winds and the sea obey?
The Son of God came to set you free.
What manner of man is this, that even the winds and the sea obey?
The Son Son of God came to set you free.